What I've learned with the Neighborhood Leadership Academy about the City of Tallahassee Police Department are the many, many community engagement activities they have. You know, I'm a citizen, you're a citizen exchange, and so it was just great to hear about those type of community engagement activities.
What was interesting was, again, the emergency center. They talked about how they can monitor different parts of the city, how the lights work together. Also being able to understand when emergencies come and how the facility is used for the emergency processing.
I think it was an energy auditor, Mr. Lewis, had mentioned about different retrofit items that the city offered to save the customers like money on utilities, consumption as far as like water, electric, gas as well.
I think what I've learned most about today is the energy options that the city offers to help homeowners, whether it's for backup generation, and even the solar seal that they have out by the airport. Hearing it from city officials is one thing, but hearing it from employees and how excited they are and how welcoming they are to the citizens has been my biggest takeaway from the program.
What is Open Gate and Helping Hands? That was back on the very first slide there, I think it was. What is something you need us to tell our residents in our community? What would help us get the message out?
I believe it's very important to know how city operations work. Neighborhood Leadership Academy is definitely teaching us that. It's letting us know where our dollars are going through the city's budgeting process and through different administrative and residential services that the city provides, that we don't even realize sometimes that it's the city at work.
I learned tonight at McLean Park how many options there are for people of all ages in our city. It's easy to think, oh, it's a park, it's just something that kids might go to, but there were fitness classes, room for athletics where you could do multiple pickleball and basketball and volleyball and just so many things that you wouldn't know unless you asked. I had fun playing pickleball for the first time. It was a little humbling, and also there were animals here from the Animal Service Center, and that was really a treat to actually meet one of our four-legged friends.
Together.
When I first came to Tallahassee from Detroit, Michigan, all I knew about Tallahassee was Florida State and Florida A&M University. I had no idea the city of Tallahassee had received so many world-renowned awards. I am so proud of the energy efforts and the clean energy efforts the city of Tallahassee is putting forth.
I think the city leaders are really interested in working with citizens to solve these problems. You know, I've never heard somebody just say that the answer is no. And I think that we're learning a lot about, you know, what are some of the stumbling blocks to solving those problems, and how can we as citizens engage and create answers to work with those city leaders to help solve those problems. I think the Neighborhood Leadership Academy is a great way for people to learn more about what the city has to offer and how all the different departments are working together towards the strategic plan. So as someone who, you know, I thought I knew a lot about Tallahassee, I had a whole lot to learn, and I think it's a great opportunity for people from different neighborhoods to get together and meet each other, but then also get to learn more about the people who are working for our city.